Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. In this video, we shall learn about parallelogram. First, we shall learn what is a parallelogram and how a parallelogram is different from other quadrilaterals. So, we are starting our class. Elements of parallelogram. As you see, there is a parallelogram on our whiteboard. What are the different elements of this parallelogram? We shall discuss first the different elements of parallelogram. So here are different elements of parallelogram. Say it is a parallelogram with sides P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S. Parallelogram is a figure in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this is a figure in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. PQRS is a parallelogram in which opposite side PQ and RS are equal. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. It is for class 8 Maths. Class 8 or 7th also, both classes. Maths. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. So, here there is a parallelogram on our whiteboard, and the sides of the parallelogram, PQ sides are PQ is equal to, sides are equal, opposite sides are equal, PQ is equal to SR, and PS is equal to QR. PQ parallel to SR also. PQ parallel to SR also, and PS parallel to SQR also. PS parallel to QR. PS parallel to QR also. Parallelogram is a special quadrilateral. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars, in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles. Opposite angles are also equal. Angle, these are the opposite angle, this angle and this angle. And sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree. These are adjacent angle like P and Q. PQ, adjacent angle. PS and PQ are adjacent side. Adjacent angles are SPQ, angle SPQ, and angle PQR. PQR. These are the adjacent angle. Angle PQR and angle PQR and angle QRS. QRS. Angle RSP, angle RSP, and angle SPQ. SPQ are the adjacent angle. This angle with this angle, this angle with this angle, this angle with this angle, this angle with this angle. So are the adjacent angles. Adjacent sides. AB means that PS and PQ are the adjacent sides. PQ and PS are the adjacent sides, and these are the adjacent angles. This way, similarly, the opposite sides of parallelogram are of equal length, property number 1. So we are studying about the property of parallelogram. First property is opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Property number 1. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. This is property number 1. So parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides in which opposite sides are equal. So property number 1, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Means PQ is equal to RS and PS is equal to QR. Property number 2. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Property number 2. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Means that angle P equal to angle R, angle P equal to angle R, and angle Q equal to angle S. This way opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Please like our channel, like and subscribe and share. Thank you so much, ma'am. Third property. The adjacent angle in a parallelogram are supplementary. These are the adjacent angle. These. Adjacent angle of parallelogram are supplementary. Third property. Adjacent angle of parallelogram are supplementary. Adjacent angle of parallelogram are supplementary. Of parallelogram are supplementary. Means that their sum is 180 degree. Means angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. Angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle R plus angle S is equal to 180 degree. All the adjacent angles, sum of all the two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Angle S plus angle P, angle S plus angle P is equal to 180 degree. All are sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. So this is property third. Property fourth. The diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other at a point of their intersection of O's. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Third property is this. If we draw the diagonals of this parallelogram, they will bisect each other. So drawing diagonal. This is diagonal PR and this is diagonal QS. These two diagonals are bisecting each other. Means that this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side and this is O. These two diagonals are bisecting at a point O. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Hello, hi. So this way, these two, OP is equal to OR and OQ is equal to OS. Means that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. This is fourth property. At a point, diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of parallelogram. Property number 4. Bisect each other at a point of intersection. Point of intersection. So this way we can say that PO is equal to RO and QO is equal to SO. This way, diagonals are bisected, or diagonals bisect each other at a point. This is property number 4. At their point of intersection. So this way, there are 4 properties of the parallelogram. Thereafter, after the parallelogram, we shall take other kind of quadrilateral, that is rhombus. We shall take now rhombus. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. All of you are most welcome to my scholars. Now second thing, we are taking after parallelogram, there is rhombus. Rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all the sides are equal, and that is a parallelogram. Rhombus is a special type of parallelogram in which all the sides are equal. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which opposite sides are parallel and all the sides are equal. A special case of parallelogram. So drawing a rhombus. BUS. Rhombus means a quadrilateral, special quadrilateral which has all the sides equal, or a special rectangle which has all the sides equal. There is a rectangle with all the sides, all equal sides. This is rhombus in which opposite sides are equal, or all the sides are equal. In this rhombus, all the sides are equal. This side equal to this, this. Name it A, B, C, D. So now we shall study about the properties of rhombus in this video. Properties of rhombus. Hi, hello, please like and subscribe our channel. So this way, the properties of rhombus. A rhombus is a quadrilateral with sides of equal length. A rhombus is a quadrilateral. A rhombus is a quadrilateral with all the or with all the sides of equal length, with all the sides of equal length. This way, the rhombus, the properties of parallelogram are also that of a kite. So this way, property of parallelogram as well as the properties of kite is followed by the property of rhombus. Property number 1. The diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of one another. Diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of one another. All the sides are equal in rhombus, as I told you, and it also follows all the properties of parallelogram and as well as all the properties of kite. Kite की भी property follow करता है और parallelogram की भी property follow करता है. So this way, property. The diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. A special property is this. The diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. At right angle. I will tell you all the properties of quadrilaterals, including rectangle, rhombus, square, parallelogram, all the properties of different quadrilaterals. Bisect each other at right angle. Now, next is this way. If we draw two diagonals of this parallelogram, drawing the diagonals of parallelogram, BD is a diagonal of parallelogram. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. And then AC is other diagonal AC. This way. Suppose they are intersecting at O. So angle DOC, this angle, is equal to 90 degree. Angle COB is also 90 degree. And angle BOA is also 90 degree. Angle AOD is 90 degree. So they bisect each other at right angle. This way we can say that they are bisecting each other at right angle. Right angle पर वो एक दूसरे को bisect करते हैं. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. Now after rhombus there is rectangle. We shall take rectangle. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Rectangle. Rectangle is also type of parallelogram with all the angles right angle. सारे एंगल इसमें राइट एंगल होते हैं और ये जो है पैरेललोग्राम ही होता है रेक्टेंगल. आफ्टर rhombus we shall take rectangle. 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 Rectangle is a kind of parallelogram. With all the angles right angle. Rectangle. This is a rectangle. With all the angles right angle. This is a parallelogram with all the angles right angle. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Say it is. This is right angle, this is also right angle, this is also right angle, this is also right angle. It follows all the properties of parallelogram, including each angle is right angle or adjacent, all the adjacent angles are right angle. All the angles are right angle. That is why it is called rectangle. This way, each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. A rectangle is a parallelogram in which every angle is a right angle. A rectangle is a parallelogram in which every angle is a right angle. A rectangle is a parallelogram in which each angle is right angle. Each angle is right angle. So these all angles are right angle. And it follows all the properties of parallelogram. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. And a second special property of parallelogram is the diagonal of parallelogram are equal. The diagonals of parallelogram are equal. Diagonals of parallelogram are equal. So we can say this is one diagonal of parallelogram. Diagonal of parallelogram are equal. And the diagonal of parallelogram are equal. Diagonal of parallelogram are equal. This is diagonal of, we can say diagonal of rectangle are equal. Diagonal of rectangle are equal. It is a special parallelogram in which diagonals are equal. Are equal. Means that AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Diagonals of parallelogram are equal. Now, we shall have some problems. कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हम रखेंगे. The diagonals of rectangle are of equal length. This shows that diagonals are of equal length. Now, there is a parallelogram. There is a rectangle. RENT. There is rectangle RENT. Case number 1. Rectangle RENT. There is rectangle RENT. RENT. This is a rectangle. TE. They are bisecting. The diagonals are intersecting each other at O. This is a point O. And this side TO, 3x plus 1. This is 3x plus 1. And other side 2x plus 4. This side RN, 2x plus 4. This way we can find the length of the diagonal. We have to find the length of the diagonal. we have to find the length of the diagonal. To find the length of the diagonal, length of the diagonal. So RO is equal to 2x. RO is equal to 2x plus 4. RO is equal to 2x plus 4. Therefore, NTO TO is equal to 3x plus 1. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Please like and subscribe our channel. So if RO is 2x plus 4, therefore ON will be equal to 2x plus 4. Since the diagonal of rectangle bisect each other and they are also equal, therefore if OTO is 3x plus 1, sorry, this is not ON, this is OE, RO and EO, and this is TO, NO is equal to 2x plus 4. So this way we can say that RN, thus Rn is equal to 2x plus 4 plus 2x plus 4, means that Rn is equal to 4x plus 8. Similarly, TE is equal to twice TO, यानी कि 3x plus 1 plus 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 and 3x plus 1. So this way TN or TE is equal to 6x plus 2. TE is equal to 6x plus 2. Now we shall compare. Diagonal of parallelogram are equal. Since the diagonals of parallelogram are equal, so this is diagonal number 2 and this is diagonal number 1. So 1 and 2 are equal. Diagonal of parallelogram are equal. Sorry, diagonal of rectangle. Diagonal of rectangle are equal. Diagonal of rectangle are equal. This way, we see that Rn equal to TE. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Rn, this Rn equal to TE. Diagonals of rectangle are equal. Rn, TE. And this is O. RO equal to ON. So RO is 2x plus 4. ON will also be 2x plus 4. Means that Rn is equal to 4x plus 8. Rn is equal to 4x plus 8. And this way TO is 3x plus 1. OE will be 3x plus 1. Diagonal of rectangle bisect each other. So this way TE will be 6x plus 2. Now comparing 3x first and second are equal. Rn TE TE equal to Rn. Diagonals of rhombus, diagonals of rectangle are equal. Diagonals of rectangle are equal. So this way, hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. TE is 6x plus 2. 6x plus 2 is equal to Rn. Rn is 4x plus 8. Transposing 4x to LHS and 2 to RHS. So 6x, therefore 6x minus 4x. It is important question, is equal to 8 minus 2. So this way, 6x minus 4x is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 6, or x is equal to 6 upon 2. So that is 3. X is equal to 3. We had to find the value of x. This way the value of x is 3. If we want to find the length of diagonal of this rectangle, we can find 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 10 will be TE and so will be Rn. 3 to the 6 plus 4 10. This way, every way we are getting 10. Means that length of the diagonals of rectangle are equal. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Please like and subscribe our channel. Now, we shall see a square and some properties of a square. A square. After rectangle, we shall take a square. A square a square has all the properties of parallelogram, with each side of a square are equal. This is a special parallelogram which can be called a special rectangle with all the sides equal. It will good to call it a special rectangle with all the sides equal. सारी साइड्स इसकी इक्वल होती हैं, ये एक स्पेशल रेक्टेंगल होता है. All the sides in which all the sides are equal. This is a special rectangle. And drawing a square. This is a square which has all the properties of rectangle, and extra is all the sides are equal. This is a rectangle with all the sides are equal. This side equal to this side, equal to this side, equal to this side. we have discussed all the properties of parallelogram plus parallelogram and rhombus. All the sides are equal. PQRS. PQRS. Diagonals of square are equal and bisect each other at right angle, and these all the angles are right angle. All the sides are also equal. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. We are taking an example RICE, which is a rhombus in which there are x, y and z. We have to justify or finding. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. There is a rhombus. यहाँ पर एक rhombus है और उसमें this is the rhombus. Points are E, R, I, C. R, I, C, E. This is R, this is I, this is C, this is E. R, I, C, E. This way, all the sides are equal. Diagonals. CR is a diagonal and EI is another diagonal. This side is given 13. This is 13. So we have to find other side. This is a rhombus. A rhombus. This is a rhombus. So this way, all the sides of this rhombus are equal. So we need to find, this is 13, we need to find this is Z. So Z is equal to 13 centimeter. Since all the sides of rhombus are equal. Since all the sides of rhombus are equal. All the sides of rhombus are equal. This is O. X and this is 5. This is X and that is 5. So X is equal to 5. OI is equal to OE. OE is equal to X. OE is equal to OI. OE is equal to OI is equal to OE is X, so OI is also X, and OI is 5. So OE is X, OI is 5. So X is equal to 5. The value of X is 5. since the diagonal of rhombus bisect each other. rhombus के diagonal एक दूसरे को bisect करते हैं एक point पर. You can see the diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at a point. Means that EO is equal to OI. So EO is x, therefore OI will be also, and OI is given 5. So this way x is 5. The value of x is 5. Now this is given y, and OR is given y. OC is 12. OC OR is equal to OC. OR is y and OC is 12. Diagonal of rhombus bisect each other. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Now, taking other topic. Square and square root. Now we are starting other topics, square and square root. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Square and square root. Now we shall take square and square root. In that we are taking some special cases. इसमें हम बहुत कुछ special cases लेते हैं जो कि हैं Pythagorean triplets. How to find Pythagorean triplets? Most of the students feel difficulty while finding Pythagorean triplets. So we are discussing in this video Pythagorean triplets. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Pythagorean triplets. From square and square roots. Square and square roots. Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. We shall take three numbers 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 as Pythagorean triplets. For any natural number m which is greater than 1, we have Pythagorean triplets as 2m, a number is 2m, second number will be m square minus 1, and third number is m square plus 1. M square minus 1, and third number is m square plus 1. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. M square plus 1. This way there are 3 Pythagorean triplets. Now we have to write the Pythagorean triplets whose smaller number is 8. Question is write Pythagorean triplets whose smaller number is 8, whose smallest number is 8. Smallest number is 8. So what we shall do? We shall take the smallest out of these 3 is m square. We shall first try for m square minus 1 is equal to 8. m square minus 1 is equal to 8 रख कर देखते हैं. m square, let m square minus 1 is equal to 8. So therefore m square is equal to 8 plus 1. It is the smallest number. This is. Or m is equal to, m square is equal to 9. 8 plus 1 9. Or m is equal to 3. So this way 3 is the number, first number, which is part of Pythagorean triplets. One number is 8. This number is 8. Now 2m. Therefore 2m. Second number will be 3 into 2. That will be 6. That is 6. And third number m square plus 1. So m square plus 1. That is 3 square plus 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So our Pythagorean triplets are 3, 6 and 10. This way our Pythagorean triplets are 3, 6 and 10. Three, 6 and 10. Pythagorean triplets are 3, 6 and 10. Other numbers for Pythagorean find the Pythagorean triplets in which one number is 12. When one number is given, write Pythagorean triplets whose one number is write Pythagorean triplets whose one number is 12. Whose one number is 12. First of all, we shall try with 2m. So let 2m is equal to 12. Or taking m square minus 1 is equal to 12. M square minus 1 is equal to 12. Taking m square minus 1 is equal to 12. So this way m square is equal to, or m square is equal to 12 plus 1, or m square is equal to 13. So this is not possible. M cannot be taken. So this way we shall take 2m is equal to 12. m is equal to 12. Only we can take. That will be correct for this situation. 2m is equal to 12. So taking 2m is equal to 12. Therefore, m is equal to 12 upon 2, 6. M is equal to 6. So first Pythagorean triplet is, first triplet is 2m, that is 2 into 6. The value of m is 6. Therefore, m is equal to 6. So 2m is equal to 2 into 6, that is 12. First triplet is 12. Second triplet, the value of m is 6. 6 square minus 1. Second triplet will be, second triplet is equal to m square minus 1, which will be, value of m is 6. 6 square minus 1. So that is 6 6 are 36 minus 1. That is 35. And other triplet, third triplet, is m square plus 1. That is 6 square plus 1. 6 6 are 36 plus 1 means that 37. So Pythagorean triplets are 12, 35 and 37. Means that 37 square is equal to 35 square plus 12 square. We can check it like this. 37 square is equal to 35 square plus 12 square. So we can check this, whether 37 square is equal to 12 square plus 35 square or not. So when we multiply 37 with 37, we shall get 1369. 1369. And 12 square, as you know, 144. And 35 square is 5 5s are 25. 3 4s are 12. 12 25. If we add these two, 12 25, 12 25 and 144, we shall get 9 6 3 1. So that is 1 3 6 9. 1369 is equal to 1369. Hence, our Pythagorean triplets are correct. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Please like and subscribe our channel. And also write comment. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. This way, there are Pythagorean triplets. Now find the right Pythagorean triplets whose one member is. Number 1 is given 6. We have to write Pythagorean triplets whose one member is given 6. Pythagorean triplets लिखना है जिसका कि एक मेंबर 6 है. So again we shall follow the same procedure. Only in place of this we shall write 6. एक मेंबर 6 है. तो देखते हैं कैसे फाइंड करना है. Whose one number is 6. one number is 6. 6. First we shall try 2m. 2m is equal to 6. Let अगर हम 2m को 6 लेते then what will happen? तब क्या होता है देखते हैं इसका. 2m को हम 6 लेते हैं. Therefore m will be, m होगा 6/2 और m is equal to 3. So m is 3. Second member, second triplets. ट्रिपलेट्स का मतलब ऐसे 3 नंबर जिनमें एक नंबर का स्क्वायर 2 नंबर के स्क्वायर के सम के बराबर हो. Those are called Pythagorean triplets. Now, second triplet will be m square, according to this 3, m is 3, m square minus 1, that will be 3 square minus 1, 3 3s are 9 minus 1, that is 8. Second triplet will be 8. ये 8 हुआ. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Third triplet, now we are going to find third triplet. Third triplet क्या होगा? m square plus 1. We shall write m square plus 1. m square plus 1. And the value of m is 3. m की value 3 है. So 3 square plus 1. That is 3 3s are 9 plus 1. That is 10. So ये हो जाएगा 10. Therefore, the triplets are 3, 8 and 10. Triplets are 3, 8 and 10. Therefore, Pythagorean triplets are are 3, 8 and 10. Check whether 10 square is equal to 3 square plus 8 square or not. We shall check. 10 square is 100 and 3 square is 9. 8 square is 64. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 3 3s are 9 minus 1 8. 8 square. Something wrong. So it will be 6. 3 square, m is 3. Therefore first triplet is 3 to the 6. First triplet is 6. That will be 6. First triplets is equal to 2. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So now 6, 8 and 10. Check. 10 square is equal to 6 square plus 8 square. Whether it is true or not. 10 square is 100. 6 square is 36 and 8 square is 64. So 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. 100 is equal to 100. Hence our answer is correct. Pythagorean triplets are 6, 8 and 10. Pythagorean triplets are 6, 8 and 10. Next number is given 14. So for 14, similarly we shall do for 14. 14 के लिए भी हम ऐसे ही करते हैं. Next number is 14. What will be the Pythagorean triplets for whose one number is 14? इसका एक नंबर 14 है. Other Pythagorean triplets we have to find. One number is 14 and we have to find other Pythagorean triplets. One number is 14. Other Pythagorean triplets हमें find करने हैं. So this way we shall take 2m is equal to 14 for first triplet. So therefore m is equal to 14/2. or 7. In this case, first triplet is 14. Second will be m square minus 1. Second triplet m square minus 1. M square minus 1, that is 7 square minus 1, that is 7 sevens are 49, minus 1, that is 48. Second triplet is 48. Now third triplet, m square plus 1. Third triplet is equal to m square minus 1. That will be 7 square minus 1. 7 sevens are 49 minus 1. Oh, sorry, plus 1. Now m square plus 1. Minus 1 we have taken already. So that is 50. Third triplet is 50. First is 14, second is 48, third is 50. Let us, we shall check. अब हम इसको check कहते हैं whether they are in according to Pythagoras theorem or not. If they are according to Pythagoras theorem, then these are the Pythagorean triplets. So out of these, greatest number is 50. So we shall check 50 square, whether 50 square is equal to 48 square plus 14 square or not. So we are checking. 50 square is 2500. 48 square .48 square is 1304 plus 14 square. 14 square $196. Now if we sum up 6 plus 4, 10. If we add 196 to 1304, what we shall get? 9 plus 1, 10, 0. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. And 1 plus 1, 2. That is 2. 2304. 48 square is 2304. So if we add these 2, 5, 0, 0 on both the sides. This way our Pythagorean triplets are correct. 14, 48 and 50 are correct. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Please like and subscribe our channel. Okay, now we shall see another number we are taking, which is 16. Instead of 14 we are writing 16. This is from class 8, exercise 6.2. So again we shall take 2m is equal to 16. अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास 16 है, one member of Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets seems to be very difficult for some students, but it is not such a difficult. We can easily find Pythagorean triplets using some skill. So that is whose one member is 16. Now we have to find Pythagorean triplets. 2m is equal to, we shall take again 2m is equal to 16. 2m is equal to 16. So therefore m is equal to 16 upon 2, that is 8. Now the first triplet is equal to 2 into 8 is equal to 16. second triplet. Now we shall find second triplet. Second triplet is second triplet. Second triplet is m square minus 1. M square minus 1. M we have taken 8. So that is 8 square minus 1. 8 8 is 64 minus 1. That is 63. Second triplet is 63. Third triplet. Third triplet. Third triplet we shall take m square plus 1. M square plus 1. That is 8 square plus 1. 8 8 is 64 plus 1. 65. So our triplets are 16, 63 and 65. 16, 63 and 65. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Please like and subscribe our channel 16, 63 and 65. Thus, therefore, the Pythagorean triplets are triplets are 16, 63 and 65. Now check. Greatest number is 65. Whether 65 square is equal to 16 square plus 63 square or not. So 65 square, 5 5s are 25, 6 7s are 42. 4 2 2 5 is the 65 square. 16 square, 16 square is 16 256. 16 square is equal to 256 plus 63 square. 63 square. Three nine six nine. 3969. In this we add, if we add 256, 256, 9 plus 6, 15, 6 5, 11 plus 1, 12, 2, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 2, 12, 2, 1 carry, 4, 4 2 2 5, 4 2 2 5 is equal to 4 2 2 5. So this way our answer is correct. The Pythagorean triplets are 16, 63 and 65. Now we are taking another question, that is 18. Whether 18 is Pythagorean triplets. What are the Pythagorean triplets whose one number is 18? So the other is 18. It is for your homework. Now we shall tell you a method finding a square root through repeated subtraction method. What is repeated subtraction method? and how we can find the square root using repeated subtraction method. Finding a square root by using repeated subtraction method. Finding the square root using through repeated subtraction method. Through repeated subtraction method. We shall find the square root using repeated subtraction method. Going to find. Suppose we have to find a square root. (64). A square root 64. The square root of 64. What we do? We subtract all the odd numbers from it and count the number of odd numbers what we have subtracted from it to get whose square is this. So first we shall subtract 64. First odd number is 1. 64 minus 1 is equal to 63. Then 63 minus second odd number is 3. 63 minus 3 is equal to 60. And next odd number is 5. 60 minus 5 is equal to 60 minus 5 is equal to 55. Now 55 minus 7 is equal to 48. Now after 5 we shall subtract 7 and then 9. So 48 minus 9 is equal to 39. 39. 39 minus 11. 39 minus 11 is equal to 28. 28 minus 13 is equal to 15, and then 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. So this way at last we have got 0. Now we shall count the number of subtraction, how many times we have subtracted that will be the square root of 64. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times we have subtracted the odd numbers till 15. So therefore square root 64 is 8. This way we can find a square root of any number by using subtraction method. Now this method do not work for longer numbers or larger numbers. This is for smaller number, because of how much we shall subtract from the larger number, that will be difficult. So taking another example of getting square root using subtraction method. Suppose there is 81 and we want to find square root using subtraction method. Hi, hello Karthik. Welcome to my scholars. Hi, hello everyone. Another square root. Suppose we need to find a square root of any number, that is suppose that is 81, and we need to find the square root of 81. 81 का स्क्वायर रूट हमें फाइंड करना है. 81. So 81 minus 1 is equal to 80. First we shall write 81 minus 1 is equal to 80. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. 81 minus 1 is equal to 80. Now 80 minus 3, इसको यहाँ लिखते हैं, उसमें से 3 माइनस करते हैं. 80 minus 3 is equal to 77. 77. Now 77 we shall write here. 77 minus 5 is equal to 72. Now 72 minus 7 is equal to 65. Now 65 minus 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and thereafter 17, and so on. All the odd numbers we subtract one after another from the resulting number. 65 minus 9 is equal to 56, and 56 minus 11 is equal to 45, and 45 minus 13 is equal to 45 minus 13 is equal to 45 minus 13 is equal to 32. 32 minus 15 is equal to 17, and 17 minus 17 is equal to 0. So now we shall count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So therefore the square root 81 is equal to 9. 81 का स्क्वायर रूट 9 होगा. So the square root of 81 is 9. So finding square root through prime factorization is an easy method you can do. That is very easy. Another thing is that if any number is a perfect square or not, how to find? We shall see that if the numbers have I will tell you how you can find whether a number is a perfect square or not by just looking the number. हम सिर्फ नंबर को देखकर ही पता कर सकते हैं कि ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है या नहीं. फर्स्ट थिंग इज दिस, वी नो दैट द स्क्वायर ऑफ सर्टेन नंबर्स आर लाइक दिस. One square is equal to 1. 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 square is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 3 square is equal to, we are taking unit digits of the numbers to which we have to square, that is 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Now 4 square. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 5 square, that is 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 6 square, that is 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 7 square, that is 7 into 7 is equal to 49. 8 square, that is 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 9 square, 9 into 9 is equal to 81. 10 square, 10 into 10 is equal to 100. So we see that the square roots, the numbers which are perfect square are ending with, the perfect square numbers are ending with, the perfect square numbers are ending with 1. 2 is not here. 2 यहाँ पर नहीं है. 3 is not here. 4, 9, 1, 4, then 5 is, then 6 is. 2 और 3 नहीं है. 4 भी है, 5 भी है, 6 भी है. 7 नहीं है. 8 भी नहीं है. 9 है, 4 है, 1 है. So this way, the numbers which are the perfect square numbers are ending with, we can say 1. 1 से एंड होते हैं, 2 नहीं होता है, 3 भी नहीं होता है, फिर 4. 4 से एंड होते हैं, 5 से भी एंड होते हैं, 6 से भी एंड होते हैं, 7 से नहीं, 8 से नहीं, फिर 9 से भी एंड होते हैं, और फिर 0 से भी एंड होते हैं. So if the numbers are ending with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0, those can be a perfect square. If the numbers are ending with 2, 3, 7 and 8, those can never be a perfect square. तो जो नंबर्स 2, 3, 7 और 8 से एंड होते हैं वो कभी भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं हो सकते हैं. और जो नंबर 1, 4, 9, 6, 25, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1 इनसे एंड होते हैं, मीन्स दैट 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0 से एंड होते हैं, दोज आर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. Sometime I will tell you how to find the square root of a perfect square number by using long division method. You need to learn long division method. We shall take some questions depending on long division method. There are especially two methods of finding the square root. One is prime factorization method, other is long division method. So I will tell you long division methods. Since prime factorization methods are well known to you, so I am taking a question finding the square root by using long division method. First we shall take a small number to find the square root of that number. Finding square root by long division method. Finding square root by long division method. Finding by square root by long division method. Suppose there is a number that is 529 and we have to find the square root of 529 by using long division method. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. You are most welcome to my scholars. This way, find the square root of 529 using long division method. Find the square root of 529 using long division method. Long division method. Long division method. What is this long division method? As the name, so is the work. We shall draw a line like this and this. First we shall write the number in this, that is 529, and start making groups from left hand side toward the right hand side. So there is only one group, we see that, other number is left out. We shall do the table of a number which is multiplied to that of the number is smaller than 5. So the number is 1 ones are 1 and 2 twos are 4. We shall take 2. We shall take 2 here. यहाँ पर 2 लेते हैं and 2 also here. 2 twos are 4. 4 is taken here. This way. Now subtract. And here 2 will be added. So this will become 4. ये 4 हो जाता है. 4 minus 5, that is 1. We shall carry this pair to 9. 1, 2, 9. Now 3 3s are 9. 3 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, we get 9. So we shall take 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. It is correct. We are getting 0. This way, square root 529 is equal to 23. 529 23 होता है. Square root of 529 is 23. Taking another number, large number, 1296 or 5607. Another number we are taking. There is another number. We shall find whose square root by using this long division method. इस long division method का यूज करते हुए हम square root find करते हैं उसका. देखते हैं. So the number is 4096. 40 find square root 4096 using long division method. That is 4096. 4096 का स्क्वायर रूट हम फाइंड करते हैं लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड यूज करते हुए. 4096. Again, we shall make pairs from right hand side. So one pair is 96, other pair is 40. Now count the table. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, and 7 7s are 49, which is more. So we shall take 6 6s are 36, taking 6 here and taking 6 here also, and 36, and adding 6 plus 6, that is 12, writing here 12, leaving a space of unity. Now 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. On subtraction we got 4. Now we shall carry 9 6 below it. 9 6 नीचे उतारते हैं. And now if we take 6 and then 6 6 are 36, we can take 4 or 6. So first we shall take 4. If we take 4, 12 4s are 48, so 4 is perfect. That is why we shall take 4 here, and here write the 4. Multiply this whole by 4. 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8, 1 9, 4 1s are 4. So this way we have got answer 0. Thus square root 4096 is equal to 64. Therefore square root 4096 is equal to 64. 4096 का स्क्वायर रूट 64 है. There is exercise. Find the square root of the numbers by using long division method. Some of the numbers we shall take to clear you the method. इस मेथड को क्लियर करने के लिए हम कुछ एग्जांपल्स लेते हैं, लाइक 5776. We are taking 5776 or 7921. Any of the number we can take. 7921 or 5776. Square root 5776 using long division method. 5776. We shall again take it in a square root, like this. Column and row. First we shall take the number here 5 7 7 6. From right hand side we make pair. First pair is this, second pair is this. We count the table. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64. So we shall take 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 7 49. Now subtract. Take 7 here also. 7 plus 7 14. Take here 14. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. And carry this forward here. 7 6. Now this is 6 at last. So 4 4s are 16. And also 6 6s are 36. So we shall take 6 here because of 6 is larger number. So 6, take 6 here. Now 6 6s are 36. 3 carry. 6 4s are 12. 13, 14, 15. Not work. 6 6s are 36. And 6 4s are 24. 25, 26, 27. Working. 2 carry. 6 1s are 6. 7, 8. So this way we have got square root 5 7 7 6 is equal to 76. This is the answer. This way, this method is known as long division method. We can find a square root of any number by using this long division method. Hi, hello, welcome to my scholars. Taking another number, finding the square root using long division method. लॉन्ग डिवीज़न मेथड लेकर लॉन्ग डिवीज़न मेथड से स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करने के लिए एक और नंबर लेते हैं 3136. कितना ही बड़ा नंबर ले सकते हैं आप. We can also find the number of digits in the square root of any number by making pairs. पेयर्स खाली बनाकर हम ये पता कर सकते हैं किसी भी नंबर के स्क्वायर रूट में कितने नंबर्स होंगे. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ लार्ज नंबर फॉर फाइंडिंग द स्क्वायर रूट, दैट इज 390625. 390625. So the large number is 390625. We shall find the square root of this number by using long division method. 390625. 390625 using long division method. The number is large. 390625 is the number. Three nine zero six two five is the number. As usual, we shall start making pairs from right hand side. So first pair, second pair and third pair. Now our first pair is 39. 6 6 are 36. So we shall take 6. At first we shall take 6 and write here 36 below 39 and subtract. Adding 6 to 6, that is 12. We usually add these two numbers and write here. 39 minus 36 is equal to 3. Now we shall copy these two numbers 0 and 6. So 12 3s are 36. So we shall take 2s. 12 2s are 24. So 122 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now subtract. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now we shall carry these 2 5 here, 2 5 and add 2 in it, that is 4, 2 1. The number which we take here, that is added to the number below it. इसके नीचे ऐड कर देते हैं उसी नंबर को जो नंबर यहाँ लेते हैं 4 1 2 4. Now if we take 5, oh here it is wrong, just 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, therefore no add and carry 6. So if we take 5 here, then it works. 5 multiply this number 1 2 4 5 by 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 is carry out. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. 2 is carry out. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. 1 is carry out. 5 1s are 5 1 6. So that is 6 2 2 5, which is subtracted. We shall get 0, as we are getting at the end 0, means that 625 is the square root of 390625. 390625 का square root है 625. So therefore 390625 is equal to 625. This way, this is the long division method of finding the square root. Now we shall learn finding the number of digits in the square root of each of the following number without any calculation. And after that we shall end our class. So writing here the question. This is the last question for this class. Please like and subscribe our channel. Find the number of digits. Find the number of digits in the square root of the following without any calculation. In the square root of the following without calculating. So कैलकुलेशन हमें नहीं करनी है और हम नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स बताएंगे कितने होंगे इसके स्क्वायर रूट में. हाय हेलो वेलकम टू माय स्कॉलर्स. तो देखते हैं कितने होंगे. फर्स्ट नंबर इज 64. ए 64. सो नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स इन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 64 मेकिंग पेयर बनाते हैं. 1 डिजिट होगा. 64 के स्क्वायर रूट में 1 डिजिट ही होगा बिकॉज ऑफ देयर इज 1 पेयर. एक ही पेयर बनता है तो एक ही डिजिट होगा. नाउ बी. एट बी देयर इज 144. 144 मेकिंग पेयर फ्रॉम right hand side. So this is one pair and this is other. So there will be 2 digits in the square root of 144. 2 digits होंगे square root में 144 के. We can find this by making the pair of the digits given digits. Pair of the given digits. 4489. C is 4489. 4489. We shall start making pair from right hand side. 1 pair, 2 pair. So this way, in the square root of 4489 there will be 2 pairs or 2 digits. 4489 के स्क्वायर रूट में 2 डिजिट होंगे. 27225. D is 27225, making pairs from right hand side. 1 pair, 2 pair and this remains. So there will be 3 digits in the square root of 27225. 27225 के स्क्वायर रूट में 3 digits होंगे. Fourth number is this E, that is 390625. 390625, making pairs from right hand side. 1 2 3. So there will be 3 digits in the square root of 390625. This way we can find the number of digits in the square root of any number without any calculation. So today Find the square root of the following decimal numbers. For finding the square root of decimal numbers, we shall follow the same method, long division method. One more, and thereafter we shall leave the class. Find the square root of the decimal number. Find the square root of the decimal number. Find the square root of the decimal numbers. We shall take here 2 or 3 numbers to find the square root. So A, first number we are taking, that is a small number and then one large number, 2.56. 2.56. We shall write this. There are two ways. One way, writing 2.56 below that 100, and another way, directly finding the square root by using long division method. So we are following long division method. Taking 2.56, 2.56, making pair from right to left, and in the side before decimal, right to left, and after decimal, left to right. After decimal, left to right, and before decimal, right to left. So there is one digit. 1 ones are 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And we shall carry this 5, 6. Before carrying, we shall place here decimal. 5, 6. So if we write there 4 or 6, 6 to the 12, 6 will work. So 6. 6 6 is 36, 3 carry. 6 to the 12 plus 3, 15. So this way we find the square root of 2.56, which is 1.6. The square root 2.56 is equal to 1.6. Another number 31.36. Taking another number 31.36. Similarly, we shall do for 31.36. 31.36. Second, 31.36. .36. So making pair before the decimal from right to left, one pair, and after the decimal from left to right, one pair. And now the table. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, so we shall take 5 here, and 25 below 31. 5 here also. 31 minus 25 is equal to 11 minus 5, 6, and we shall carry 3 6. 5 plus 5, 10. So only 6 is the number which we can take here. So here take 6. 6. 6 6 are 36 and 6 1s are 6. So this way when we subtract we shall get 0. Therefore square root 31.36 is equal to 5.6. Place here point. Before carrying the digit after point we shall place there 5.6 is the square root of 31.36. This is enough in this video, and we shall meet on tomorrow. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching My Scholars.